Good evening everybody and welcome back to Down the Garage Layout, and we've got some more sets for your delight, if that's what you want to call or say or do or whatever. So the catalogues we've been looking at this evening, we've got two catalogues that we're looking at as we normally do. We've got 1964 and the sets we've got on at the moment is RS51 and RS62, Carolabella and the Freightmaster train set. We have made up a few more, so you'll have to excuse us because we haven't actually got these in sets. We do have a box for Carolabella, and we do have a box. We've got to make a box for that, haven't we?
Yes.
Because we haven't got a box for that yet. So let's just start off with them two then, and then we'll show you what else we've been up to. So there you go. That's RS51. And this little Jinty Dazek has got the synchros mode, but whether we can get it to, whether we can show you it puffing this evening, I'm not too sure. But it needs a little bit of an overhaul, this engine, because we haven't run this much, this engine. This is sort of straight out the box, so that's why it's a bit stop-starty. So you'll have to excuse us for that. Maybe that's another one we'll have to put on Workbench Thursday. Alright, put it in the siding, John. Please. So we're going to put that in the siding. There you go. Don't forget to change the point. I think John's going to put the RS51 in the siding, John, yeah? There you go. Reset your point, turn your switch off. So the other set that we've made up, you'll have to excuse us for this because we have been a bit crude, is set RS50, the Defender set. This one's 65, isn't it?
64.
Oh, 64, that one's 65.
Yes.
Okay. I don't think it's in that one, is it, in the 65?
It is.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
So there you go.
It's along there.
Oh yeah, so there you go.
It actually shows the exploding car.
Yeah, it's got the exploding car. Well, we'll show you that now. If Johnny brings it out, we'll have to have a look for one of those, John.
Yeah.
It's the same number as well, yeah. Because we've already shown you the RS30 set and the RS38 set, so the light does work. So what we need to do then, we need to, you can see what we've done. We've used a later tank gun fiery thing, if that's what you want to call it, because it should be that colour, shouldn't it?
I thought we had one that colour.
No, I thought we did. And then obviously we've used a works department wagon just to, you know, just for saying, well, it's red basically, but it don't explode.
You
So
can take the top off, if that counts.
well, you can take the top off, yeah. Go on in, mate. Let's if you reset your point. Oh, light come on. Light went off. So this is another engine that we need to have a little look at some point. And we've also still got Sir Nigel Gresley on on our Hornby Duplo 3 rail. There's the light on. There's the light off. Good job. So what we're going to do next is we've got a couple of other sets on. Johnny, we're going to put set RS50 back up onto that siding, and then we're going to show you a couple of others that we've got. And I think we'll be changing this lane again soon. So there you go. Now, what we have to show you next is RS59, which is this one, with this little engine. Now you'd have to excuse us because we've used an earlier coach, and obviously we had 3 wind-up locos like that one. So I thought, well, we had a spare chassis, so why not make it powered? That's why you can see the slot in the top. I've put buffers on it because they don't normally come with buffers.
As you can see on that.
As you can see on that one, they don't normally come on buffers. So this, again, you'd have to excuse us because we've used an early coach of that one, and that one is
RS49.
that one's RS49. You can see it there, and we've also got on RS43, yeah, which is the Clockwork Good set, and we've got that on as well.
But we've got the orangey red.
But we've got the orangey red, not the blue one. We do have a box for that, which is over there.
An RS49's on an RS70.
It's RS70. We have got another. I think that's earlier, isn't it? RS70. I'm not sure.
Yeah, because that's the wagon one.
Yeah, there's a few in there, isn't there? Look. So what we're going to do first then, yeah, so give Johnny the camera a minute. I'll go and decorate the point, like that. Okay, mate?
Yes.
So this is RS59 coming out now. So there you go, going up the back straight. So let's see if we can get one of these to come out again, shall we?
Yep.
So let's turn the switch off. You set the point?
Yep.
Better set that one then. So there you go. Clockwork running as well. We'll put that in there. Set that point again, John. So which one's this? This is
49.
49.
Yes.
It's a bit clunky, this one.
Is it? Oh, that might be the one with that wheel falls off of.
Is it?
I think.
It might all crash and burn it, John. Right, ready?
Yep.
Point. There you go. It's fun, isn't it?
So in the 60s they were still doing clockwork.
Yeah, of course they were. Really still. It went out of pub.
It ran out of coal. It needs a lift.
The fireman gave up. The fireman's gone home.
He's jumped off the train and gone, no. I'm not working for free. Until they pay me, I'm not coming back.
So there you go.
It's a quick little train, isn't
Got
it?
your finger taken off. So there you go. I hope you enjoy that. I think Johnny's just going to stop. Send it round one more time, John. This is, so that's not on the point. So we'll have a look through the next catalogues because we are getting a bit scarce on sets. We do have, I think 65's the last year, isn't it? 60 goes when it goes to 66. I think it swaps over, doesn't it?
Yeah, it swaps over to try and Hornby.
Yeah. So that will be for tomorrow. Sorry it's a bit of a long one, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, I'd just like to thank everybody for all your continued support and all your great comments. We really much appreciate it. And bye for now.